Hey, what's up guys? This is Greg with ASUS. We are at CES 2019 and in this video I want to show you our latest Chromebook Flip. This is the C434. Now its predecessor, the C302, was arguably the best Chromebook on the market, but we think that the best just got better. The Chromebook Flip C434 has all the features of the Chrome OS that make it an ideal laptop solution. Fast startup, extensive virus protection, and access to all your favorite apps on the Google Play Store. Now, powering this Chromebook, you'll find up to an Intel Core i7-8500Y processor, up to 8 GB of LPDDR3 memory, and a 120 GB SSD. It also features 802.11ac Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. At just 15.7 millimeters thin and weighing only 3.3 pounds, it's the perfect travel companion whether you're exploring the globe or just heading out to your local coffee shop. The 14-inch display features a 4-way nano edge bezel, giving it an 87% screen-to-body ratio. Also, with a 360-degree hinge and multi-touch display, the C434 can easily be converted from a laptop to a tablet and anything in between. Even with the narrow bezels, we were able to include an HD web camera to help you easily connect to your friends and family. Whether you're working in the Google Cloud or you're a college student trying to finish your latest paper, the C434 has you covered. With up to a 10-hour battery life, you can be sure that this Chromebook will work as hard as you do. All of these features are protected by the aluminum chassis, which provides a premium look and feel, as well as helping with durability. So that is the ASUS Chromebook Flip C434. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Look at me, go!